Hello, Middleton 2nd through 5th grade staff and students. This is a presentation for our hybrid lunchroom procedures to get a better understanding of how our lunch room will work this year. To begin, when students are in their classrooms, the teachers are going to have a process for handing out your mask bags and your lanyards. So prior to leaving the classroom, all students will have their their mask bag and their lanyard. Once they have those items, our students are going to line up in their new line order for lunch. The order will work like this. Students who are eating cold lunch will line up first. Students who are eating cold lunch but needing to purchase water or milk will line up second. And then students who are purchasing hot lunch will be lined up last. Teachers will then begin walking their students to the cafeteria, and before they arrive there, they will have students put their lunch bag under their arm with their mask in it, and they will sanitize their hands. The teacher may find that it's better for their class to dispense using their individual sanitizer bottle instead of utilizing the tower. Please make a plan that works best for you and your class. You will stop prior to reaching the cafeteria, and you will have students stop on the socially distanced arrows and red dots, and you will have students remove their masks following our mask procedures. Once students have their masks safely in their paper bags, they will arrive at a designated doorway and drop their mask in the assigned bin. More directions on how you're entering for your individual class will be coming in a separate, very short video. Once you are in the cafeteria, students, after they've dropped off their mask in the bin, they will then place their, students that are eating cold lunch will be able to go to their assigned table, and they will fill the table beginning from the first row of the class, and they're going to fill it from the outside to the inside. There will be adults showing you how this will work. You will need to sit in the spots that are where there's a letter or a number. If you're a student who's getting hot lunch or you are purchasing milk, you will then maintain 6 foot of distancing, and you're going to use the arrows and the red circles on the outside of the wall to the lunchroom to make your way up to the lunch line. You will then order your lunch, take a milk, maybe get your grab and go from the salad bar, and you will proceed to the cashier, where the cashier will scan your lunch card, and you will need to say your name to the cashier. So for example, after the cashier scans my lunch card, I would say Mrs. Downs, so that she knows that she has the right student and she's scanning the right card. Then you're going to take your tray and you're going to walk down the center of the lunchroom to get back to your classroom section. You will have a seat and you will begin eating lunch at that point. The assigned lunchroom supervisors are going to be using cups to pace the lunchtime so that you know how much time is left. When the cup is blue, that means that it's time to eat your lunch. It's the beginning of lunch. If you need any assistance, we're having our students raise their hands. Students are not allowed to just get up and go. They need to raise their hands and ask for assistance from one of our lunchroom supervisors. You need to stay seated this entire time that the cup is blue. When the staff members turn the cup to yellow, that signals to our students that we have 3 minutes left of lunchtime. Again, you need to remain seated during the entire time that it is a yellow cup. Once we flip to red cup, that means that we are going to be dismissing classes row by row to throw away your garbage. You will exit the rows while you're throwing away your garbage row by row, and they will be directing you how you will be proceeding out of the cafeteria. After you throw away your garbage, the lunchroom supervisor will keep students distant using the floor markers, and the students will sanitize their hands at the sanitation as they leave the lunchroom. With your clean hands, you will walk to the table and you're going to retrieve your mask from the bag that's on the back of the table. So the staff members will have taken your bag that you dropped in the bin at the beginning of lunch, and they will have put it on the back table by your symbol. So if you're a green square, like in the picture, that's where my bag is in the picture, I would go over to the green square table and pick up my mask. Lunchroom supervisors will be helping to make sure that you're going to your correct table at this time. Students that will then follow the assigned lunchroom supervisor. We're going to go to a socially distanced location, and we're going to put our masks back on with our clean, sanitized hands. Then we are going to follow our lunchroom supervisor to the commons, or if we're fifth graders, we're going to walk to the fifth grade hallway and we're going to wait on individual spots for our teacher. The classroom teacher will then pick up the class, and we'll have a collection plan in the room for how we will get the lanyards collected and the mask bags so they are ready for the next day that I come to school. Thank you for watching our presentation for hybrid lunchroom procedures for 2nd through 5th grade. And we're excited to greet you in the lunchroom and welcome you on our first day. Thank you so much for watching.